Timmy the Weasel was a little weasel who lived in a cozy burrow in the forest. With his bushy tail and pointy snout, he was always full of energy and mischief. One sunny day, Timmy decided to explore the forest. He scurried through the tall grass, his small paws twitching with excitement. As he ventured deeper, he came across a beautiful, shimmering lake. Timmy had never seen anything so beautiful before. He was amazed by the lake's clear, sparkling water and the way the sun danced on its surface. He wanted to explore more, but he was afraid. Suddenly, a friendly voice called out, "Hello, little weasel. You're not from around here, are you?" Timmy looked up and saw a kind-hearted old turtle floating on a log. The turtle introduced himself as Mr. Tubbs, the wise old turtle who lived by the lake. He offered to show Timmy some of the lake's hidden treasures. Timmy was overjoyed and agreed immediately. They swam together, exploring the lake's depths. Timmy marveled at the colorful fish, the underwater plants, and the hidden caves. Mr. Tubbs taught Timmy about the creatures that lived in the lake and the importance of taking care of it. As the sun began to set, Timmy said goodbye to Mr. Tubbs and headed back to his burrow. He felt a sense of wonder and gratitude. He realized that, although he loved his adventures, there was something comforting about being home. That night, Timmy dreamt of the beautiful lake and the friendly turtle. He knew he would always remember the day he explored the lake with Mr. Tubbs. And as he drifted off to sleep, he knew that the forest was full of surprises and that he was always ready for the next adventure. The end.